Hello and welcome! In this workflow demonstration, we'll show you how to export time-coded animations to Unreal Engine using both the Unreal Live Link plugin and FBX File Export. Time-coded clips can then be synchronized in the timeline using the embedded timecode information. There are two primary methods for exporting motion clips. The first method involves saving them as FBX files. To do this, navigate to File, Export, Export FBX. Set the Target Tool preset to Unreal and adjust the frame rate to 24. Select the desired range for the motion clips and, most importantly, enable the Embed Timeline Timecode option. Once these settings are configured, we are ready to export. The second method for exporting synchronized motion is through the Unreal Live Link plugin. After setting up the Unreal scene, go to Plugins, Unreal Live Link, and open the Live Link dialog box. We want to transfer the four fighting characters, so uncheck all unnecessary objects such as props, cameras, and lights. Also, deselect any characters that are not part of the main scene. Before transferring, enable the Include Motion section and ensure that the entire motion sequence with the correct frame rate is being sent. Next, enable Bake All Animation to Sequencer and check the Embed Timeline Timecode option to include the timecode data in the transfer. Now simply click Transfer File to send the characters to Unreal Engine. For more details on Unreal Auto Setup and Live Link, please refer to the dedicated tutorial linked in the description. In Unreal Engine, navigate to the RL Level Sequences folder and open the sequence we just transferred. Now, the motion clips are inside the sequencer and our characters are visible in the viewport. Set the display frame rate to 24 frames per second and adjust the time display to NDF timecode. Next, check the timecode information for each clip by right-clicking on the motion. Select Properties and expand the Timecode section. The correct timecode will be displayed under the Timecode Source section. To simplify the next steps, copy the clip's timecode for later use. To align all clips to their correct timecode positions, select all clips and go to Actions, Snap Selections to timeline using source timecode. This will reposition the clips to match their original timecode. However, the timeline range remains unchanged. To adjust this, paste the copied timecode into the Working Range Start and Current Time Indicator fields so the clips are properly visible in the timeline. Previously, background characters were exported using iClone's FBX Export function. Now, they can be imported directly into Unreal Engine and placed into the scene. In the FBX Import dialog, ensure that the Use T0 Reference Pose option is enabled. Under the Animation section, verify that Import Attributes as Curves or Animation Attributes option is selected. Also, set the animation length to Animated Time, then proceed by clicking Import All. After importing and placing the character in the scene, open the Details panel, navigate to the Transform section, and reset the location values to 0 to ensure accurate positioning within the environment. Next, drag Kevin into the sequence and apply a time-coded motion to his animation track. Right-click to check the timecode info, then snap it to the correct timecode position. Finally, all the motions are perfectly synchronized in Unreal Engine. That concludes this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.